Bomber, Denison Yachting, Newport Beach, California. Today, it's my pleasure to welcome you aboard Take Me Out, an immaculately maintained and professionally upgraded Ocean Alexander sedan bridge. She was built in 2007 and designed by Ed Monk Jr. This motor yacht has all the amenities needed to make the most of your time on the water with family and friends. The extended boat deck provides shade for aft deck lounging, just steps from the water or dining al fresco. Entering the Salon through the polished stainless steel sliding door, the U-shaped settee is to port. Opposite, a barrel chair and entertainment center, creating a balanced space for comfort and relaxation. Moving forward, the fully equipped gourmet galley and dinette are slightly elevated from the rest of the salon, offering bright and airy wraparound views while cooking or enjoying a meal. The three-stateroom, two-head layout boasts a spacious master stateroom with island queen bed and in-suite bath and shower. Guest staterooms ensure comfort and privacy for those on board, with a queen stateroom to port and dual over and under stateroom to starboard. Heading up the teak stairway from the aft deck, the Flybridge Helm offers a commanding view for piloting the vessel, as well as a seating area to keep the captain company. After the controls on the extended boat deck is the Walker Bay 12-foot tender with Brower remote-controlled davit for easy deploying. In the engine room, there are twin Caterpillar C9 Acerts, making nearly 1,200 horsepower, a Northern Lights generator, a 1,500-gallon-a-day water maker, and a washer-dryer. Thank you for joining me on board this beautifully maintained and upgraded 52 Ocean Alexander sedan. Please don't hesitate to contact me for any questions you may have or to schedule a private showing. Thank you.